Swartz. It is a 32 count 4-wall high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down a dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Baby I Dare You. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right and touch your left next to your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to weave to the right, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side. As you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your rock quarter turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. Step forward with your right foot, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, cross your right over your left, and then we're going to clap our hands. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to scuff your left heel forward, step your left foot to the left side, and scuff your right heel forward, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step, touch forward. So it's step, touch, quarter step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, quarter, recover, shuffle forward, full turn, shuffle forward, rocking chair, step, quarter, pivot, cross and clap, grapevine to the left, side scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff. Let's try and get some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step forward. So it's step forward, touch, quarter turn, touch, weave, side or rock, quarter recover, shuffle forward, full turn, shuffle forward, rocking chair. Now your quarter pivot with your cross, hold and clap. Grapevine with a touch, side scuff, side scuff, side scuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, touch, quarter, touch, weave. Side rock, quarter recover, shuffle forward, full turn. Shuffle forward, rocking chair. Now your step, quarter pivot with your cross, hold and clap. Grapevine, step to the side and scuff. Side scuff, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Baby I Dare You. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Just run.